Good morning, everybody. Well, it's raining outside, so when it's bad weather outside, we do indoor things. And today we're going to start potting some more plants left over from scraps with my little sidekick here, Buttons. It's been a while since she's been on camera. She's been sick, but she's all better now. So, alright, let's show you what we've got here. We have got rooted carrots. Let me set it down here for you and show you what we've got in here. And lots of greenery on it. But look at the size of that root. That was just a carrot top when I put it in there. We let it root. So we're going to take it over here to the bucket and put it in the ground. This will be the third set of these that I've got started, and I'll see how long it takes for us to get carrots. I'll show you whenever we pull carrots first time. And you can hear the crybaby in the background. But they're all tangled up. They are definitely growing good. But this is just one thing that you can do even if you live in an apartment. Carrots don't have to have pollination, so they're a root crop. They'll grow in the ground. They don't flower or anything like that. So if you don't have a garden, you don't have access, or you just don't want to go outside and break ground, fill you a bucket up full of potting soil and grow you some carrots. Well, let's get an extra carrot out of this pan. We had so many vegetables come in that we actually had to layer plants in one of our little growing trays. There. I like to make it a 5-pack. Take advantage of all the space in the bucket there. And then we'll take the water that they were sitting in, water it in. I'm trying to hold my hand steady, but that ain't gonna work today. Way too much caffeine this morning. Alright, we got that watered in. We'll set that starting box over. This bucket is ready to grow. Now, we have a celery start here. So now I'm going to show you what we do with our celery starts. You know, it was just the root ball. We cut the celery off of it. It's already starting to sprout good green. So we're going to take our pot full of moist potting mix. Set it down in there. Gently put dirt around it, but don't cover it completely, because you'll get more celery stalks out the top. Pack it in a little bit. Somebody's over our board. And now you got you a nice little celery start. I've got 3 of those going now. And then next, we have got some spider plant starts. Now, I put them in here with everything else, so with moist paper towel, so they could start forming good roots. And this is just the way I do it. A lot of people put them in jars. I like to have it in paper towel to give the roots something to adhere to. Let's see if this thing's got roots on it good. If it does, yep, it's got a nice little root there. So what we're going to do is pull this paper towel down further on it, because spider plants seem to like to be slightly root bound. But I'm going to use these green pots because they have holes in the bottom, and I'll know when it gets too root bound. And we're going to just do it like this. I'm just experimenting here because most of the time I take the little babies off the spider plant and just set them in the dirt, and they root on their own. But this time I'm going to try it like that. Whew. And I've got 5 more. Yeah, 5 more to go. But this is the process that we're going to use, and I'll give you an update whenever we see how it goes.